How to create and manage member roles with WIX. Today in this tutorial, we are going to take a look at creating and managing member roles to help you manage which site members can access which pages. For example, if you have an educational website, you might want to restrict some content for members that have a teaching role rather than a student role. From your WIX dashboard, navigate to the bottom of the left sidebar and click Edit Site. This will open the WIX website editor. On the Menu and Pages tab, you will want to set the pages you want to restrict as members only pages. To create a member role, from your website dashboard, click on the Contacts and CRM tab on the left and click Member Permissions. Click the Add New Role button at the top of the page and fill out the role details, the role name, description, and the role color. Then click Save. In this role, click the Add Members button and select the members you would like to add to this role, then click Add. Go back to the Member Permissions tab and click Set Permissions at the top. This will allow you to select which roles can access which pages. When you are finished, click Save. I hope this tutorial was helpful. For more information on Wix.com, please visit the ProfileTree YouTube channel, where you will find more video tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.